I've quite literally driven from the bottom of England to Scotland in one day.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good morning everyone. Today is the day that we are going to Tampa in Florida, and we're going to be restarting the trip now and making our way all the way back up to pretty much where I was in New Jersey, or just next to New Jersey. So we need to get dressed and head out this morning. Remember, when traveling on a bike, safety first. Boom. Let's go. All right everyone, it's time to head to Tampa. Not sure if you can see, it says 4 hours and 17 minutes. We're all kitted up. Remember, safety first. Let's press start. Let's do this, everyone. We're on the way. We're on the way. Na 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 na. My bike is definitely feeling heavy with everything on it. Oh, but now that I'm getting a bit of breeze, it's pretty decent. It's hot though with all this gear on, I'll tell you that. Oh my gosh. We're leaving the beautiful city of Miami. Could be worse though. I've been here for a hot minute. Wow. I'm gonna be toasty later, I'll tell you that. Ooh, yeah. Boy oh boy, it's hot out here. We're about 300 miles away. Might have to stop off halfway. Little 2 hours. Get a drink at the petrol station. This is going to be the longest ride I've done so far. Let the adventure begin! Woo! Yeah, little adventure. Express lane taking me to Naples. So you've obviously got the interstate here, but they also have express lanes if you want to skip the traffic. You have to pay a fee, but sometimes it's worth it. Looks like I'm on the right way. So we want Naples, this is where we're going. There you go, Naples in this lane. We're about 3.5 hours left. Oh yeah, here we go. We're on the main road now, which it says I've got 176 miles on this one road. So this is the road that we've basically been trying to get to do most of the trip. It's just going to be one straight road now. Florida is just such a massive state. It's funny because if we're in London at the moment, you're driving 4.5 hours anyway. You're getting from one side of London to the other, and it's not even scratching the surface of getting to Florida. You know, I don't know how to put it into words. To be planning for this for 2 years and being able to be on this bike and to be able to just do an adventure that I've dreamed about, to be able to tour America, to be able to bring you guys along with me. Don't listen to anyone that says what you want to do is unrealistic or unachievable. This right here is living proof that you can do whatever you want. I'm just some kid from London with a dream to travel to America and ride a bike, and I'm here on a interstate in the middle of Florida traveling on a bike. Look at them blue skies. Let's open her up, people. Enjoy the little things, guys. We don't know what tomorrow is going to bring, but hey, it's definitely going to be an adventure. Right, I've got about 2 and a bit hours left, but I've only got 40 miles on the tank, and that long arse road that I'm on is doesn't have many petrol stations, so it's weird saying gas and petrol and gas, but hey, we're just gonna stop off at Shell, get some petroleum, otherwise I'm not gonna get very far. Oh, that was a nice little corner, that was. I see the Shell, I see the Shell. Oh god. And we're here. Oh, my hands are proper vibrating. Jesus Christ. Oh, let's just put that there. Take my helmet off for a sec, take a little break. Back on the journey. It says I got 180 miles in it. And we've got 164 to go. We want to get on here. Whoopsie daisy. And then we want to get back on this long road all the way to Tampa. Tampa 75 north only. Da, 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 da. Make sure you lean. Everything's with a little bit of lean. And we're back on the road. You'll see when we get on this road that there really isn't much on this road when you get on it. I've got 90 miles on this road. I want to be able to show you that when you get on a road like this, there really is not much here. There seems to be a bit more traffic though. At the moment, and it's all just greenery. There is pretty much nothing on these big interstates, and it's about this for about 80 miles. Well, it's been I've done 70 so far. Or I've done I've done 100 so far. A bit more than 100. And it's all just greenery. It's very, very peaceful. Coming up to Tampa now. We're about 12 minutes away. We've got to go through a toll road first. America is just roads, that's all it is, roads. Got another 7 miles here and then we're basically in Tampa. I've got to fill up another tank already. What's this? Sun Pass, or we will bill you with toll by plate. Okay, well, let's see where Sun Pass is. We have arrived in Tampa. I'm just trying to find out what there is to do. I'm in downtown at the moment. I'm just checking my phone, see what's here. I need some food ASAP. It's been a very long ride here. Well, this POV looks weird, man. So I've been on couch surfing. I'm in Tampa at the moment. I stopped off to grab some food. I'm at Dax, D-A-T-Z. Dreadful. Awful food. Would not recommend it. But I've been on couch surfing, obviously. And I was looking in Tampa. There wasn't much in Tampa, so I went to Orlando. And I met someone on couch surfing that said I can come and stay. Obviously in Orlando we've got Universal Studios, so we're definitely going to be going there tomorrow. I'm going to have a look and see if there's any other bits that we can go see while we're in Tampa, because Tampa is quite a cool city, and go from there. Right, we're in Orlando now, because yeah, I couldn't find anywhere, so I found someone on couch surfing where I can stay. So we're just getting to his place now. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Universal Studios. I've probably driven for about 6.5 hours today. It's 8 o'clock, so it's been a hot minute. And my bike broke down as well, which was not ideal. But it's fine, we're here now. We are in Orlando. Oh my god, these traffic lights are taking forever. I've quite literally driven from the bottom of England to Scotland in one day. Pretty much. Right, I think we're coming up to it now. My ears kind of hurt as well.